Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to start a poem first, and the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. And this poem is written by Robert Lee Frost. Robert Lee Frost. In your book, it is given Robert Frost only. Robert Frost. It is the complete name of him, Robert Lee Frost. Sure. Now you can see photograph of Robert Lee Frost. This is only not the photograph. This is a postage stamp. It was launched on the name of Robert Frost by American government. So and it is yes. So now we are going to know more about Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost was an American writer, a poet also. He was born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco, California, United States of America. So Robert Lee Frost, or other side we are calling him Robert Frost. He was an American writer, and he was born on 26 March 1874, and where he born on in San Francisco, California, United States of America. So now we are going to know more about his family. Okay, so his father name was William Prescott Frost Jr. William Prescott Frost Jr. was his father. He was a journalist, and his father was a journalist with ambitions of establishing a career in California. And in 1873, he and his wife moved to San Francisco. When they moved to San Francisco, so there they gave a birth to a son that is called Robert Lee Frost in 1874. So he died due to tuberculosis in 1885. So 1885 में वो tuberculosis से चल बसे. His mother name was Isabelle Moody Frost. उनकी दादी मदर का नाम जो था वो Isabelle Moody Frost था. She was a teacher in New Hampshire and Massachusetts. और वो एक टीचर की काम करते थे, वो टीचर की जॉब करते. And she died from cancer in 1900. And due to cancer she also died after 5 years of his father's death. He had a sister, and his sister name was Ginny, and she was suffering from a mental problem. She was not mentally well, so she was a mental problem. So she had to be kept in mental hospital. Okay, इसीलिए उसको mental hospitals में रखा गया. She died there after 9 years in 1947. तो वो वहां पर 9 सालों तक उसको हॉस्पिटल में रखा गया, और उसके बाद वो भी नहीं बच पाई. रॉबर्ट ग्रेजुएटेड. अब रॉबर्ट की जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी, रॉबर्ट के परिवार में उसकी मम्मी भी उसको छोड़ के चले गए हैं, पापा भी ने भी उसको छोड़ दिया है. ओके, ही हैड ओनली वन सिस्टर, सी आल्सो लेफ्ट हर. उसने भी उसे छोड़ दिया, उसको छोड़ के वो चली गई थी, वो भी मर गई. अब रॉबर्ट ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम हाई स्कूल इन 1892 and he was a top student in his class. And he fell in love with his classmates Eleanor White. और वहाँ पे एक लड़की थी Eleanor White, उसके साथ उसका प्यार हो जाता है. And he got married to Eleanor White, और वो Eleanor White से शादी कर लेता है. They had 6 children. उनके 6 बच्चे होते. So what? Yes, so we came to know that about Robert Frost family. Robert Frost, and his complete name is Robert Lee Frost. Second one is, what was the name of his father? What was the name of his father? So his father name is William P. Scott Frost Jr. Next one is, what was the name of his mother? Isabelle Moody Frost was the name of his mother. Next one, what was the name of his sister? His sister name was Ginny. So what was the problem to his father? Yeah, what was the disease from which his father suffering? So his father was suffering from tuberculosis. Yes, you. And what was the problem of his mother? Yes, you, his mother was suffering. Yes, you, from cancer. And yes, you. And what was the name of his wife? His wife name was Eleanor White. How many children he had? Yeah, he had 6 children. Sure. Now this is the introduction part of the poem. In the poem, the road not taken, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that, poet कहता है, the path that we do not choose in our life is the road not taken. ये road not taken. जो रास्ता हम अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं लेते हैं, that is the uh, that is the road that is written, the road not taken. He described his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. So, the path which we have chosen decides our futures. जो रास्ता जो आज हम चूज करेंगे, जो हम ऑप्शन चूज करेंगे आज, that option will decide our future, our destination. The important message that the poet wants to give, जो important message poet हमें देना चाहता है, is that the choice that we make has an impact on our future. जो choice आज हम लेते हैं, जो choice आज हम करते हैं, वो हमारे future को impact करें. If we make a wrong choice, अगर हम गलत करेंगे तो we regret, हम जिंदगी भर पछताएंगे. But we cannot go back on it. But हम उस रास्ते पे दोबारा नहीं जा सकते. So we must be wise while making choices. इसलिए हम जो भी डिसीजन लेने जा रहे हैं, उन डिसीजंस को हमें बड़े अच्छे से करना चाहिए या लेने चाहिए. So this is the poem, and this is the introduction part, and now we are going to do the poem. So which poem is there? So we are going to do the poem. So this is an explanation of the poem. Yes, you stanza first, and in this picture you can see there are two rods, and it is called yellow wood. So you can see this is a yellow wood, and in that yellow wood there is a fork, and on that fork there are two rods diverged. यहाँ से दो रास्ते अलग अलग हो रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Show what the poet is saying. Yes, you see, two road diverge in a yellow wood. The poet is in a yellow wood, or he was standing on a fork, and on that fork he was thinking which road he had to go. कि उस रोड किस रास्ते पे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, उस रोड के ऊपर वो खड़ा होकर सोच रहा है. So and sorry I could not travel both. And the poet is saying that's it. I'm the only person. I'm the only traveler. I'm the only one. So I could not travel on both roads. और मैं दोनों रास्तों पे आगे नहीं जा. Because I'm the only one. मैं तो अकेला ही हूँ. दोनों रास्तों पे कैसे जा सकता हूँ एक टाइम? So, so the poet was in a yellow wood, and in that yellow wood there were two roads, and the two roads were the two road was diverse. And what happened there? And the traveler was the only one, and he could not travel on both one. So and look down, show and be one traveler, or I was the only traveler, one traveler. Long I stood. So he was standing there and he was thinking what should be there, what he had to be to do there. So and look down, और उसने देखा as far as I could, जितना दूर मैं देख सकता था. To where it went in the undergrowth, और जहाँ तक झाड़ियाँ उस पे झुकी हुई थी, तो मैंने वहां तक देखा. तो फिर मैंने क्या डिसीजन लिया? It is going the next stanza. So this is in this stanza what we came to know that the poet was in a yellow wood. Yes, you, and this is an autumn season, and in autumn season he was in a wood, and when he was in a wood there was a fork, there was two roads, and he was confused which road he had to go. So was the only person, he could not go on the both roads, so that's why he has to choose the one road. So which road he had to take? He was watching, he was looking on the roads, and what he can see there was the grasses, there was the buses on the roads. So next one is what is the rhyming scheme? What is the literary device used here? Rhyming scheme is A B A A B. What is this? A would D. This is A B. This is different from T. This is T. So both stood. This is same as would. So stood A. This is A B A good A and growth both and growth same. So A. So this is the rhyming scheme A, B, A, E. This is the rhyming scheme. The symbolism. So what is the symbolism? So two roads symbolized what? These two roads symbolized us choices in our life. So next one is there anaphora. When as poem's line starts with and, that is called anaphora. That is called anaphora. So that's it up to here. Thank you. Have a nice day. We are coming with next video.